and advisor to the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Economic Development. So after a career spanning almost 25 years in international business,
Five for 10 employees with a variety of products and generally open from 10 hours to
festivals like BBK Live that is in Bilbao, and maybe that is important to Heineken marks or a brand that want to.
You are planning to sell initially only in the Basque country. But my understanding is that these business opportunities.
Of showing our project to the people in the internet, so something our idea.
Companies organizing or kind of events, we will offer this kind of presentation.
Several types of crowdfunding, and the one we chose to do is donation crowdfunding.
As Waha said, they control the 64% of the world and the 80% of Europe.
How do you want to convince people to believe in your brand if the brand doesn't exist?
It's beneficial for the environment that they will.
Who is your main competitor?